continuous assessment. Continuous assessment quiz 1, which is scheduled today, 23rd July, Friday, and the timing is 5:30 to 6 p.m. in the evening. So the 30 minutes ka window is given, and in that window you have to appear for your continuous assessment quiz 1 on unit number 1, DC electric circuit. There are 10 questions which each student will solve, and the time given to solve those 10 questions is 15 minutes. So I suggest you to keep your pen, pencil, eraser, notepad, notebook, rough pages, calculator, whatever you want while solving the questions to be with you, and it should be available so that you can start the quiz at sharp at 5:30 or maybe 5:35, depends on your internet connectivity. So that's why 30 minutes ka window is given. So if any of the student finds internet issue, or he may find any issue with the Genomio site, as the site on which we are going to conduct the examination is Genomio. So you all are instructed to join that Genomio site. It is gaurav.genomio site. Okay, so I just write that site here in the chat box. If you have time after after 1:30, immediately you can click here on the Genomio. Those who have not joined, kindly join that Genomio site. Don't forget to join today, because the quizzes, the continuous assessment quizzes are going to start from today, at least for BEE, and conduction will be done on that Genomio site. Individual faculties Genomio site, the conduction will be done. Okay, so if you have not joined, kindly join it today itself. So let us start with the lecture. The name of unit is unit number 3, AC fundamentals. Now, as we have already studied DC, therefore the fixed sources, that is called as a DC source. So that direct current, DC ka long form is direct current. If its battery source is of 6 volt, then the 6 volt fixed source, continuous source, will be given to the appliance. This 0 is indicating the reference, and therefore it is drawn with the dotted line. यहाँ पर इसको draw किया हुआ है with the dotted line. Okay, so 0 volt is indicating a reference, and 6 volt is the voltage of this particular fixed battery source called as DC source. So this 6 volt is continuous direct, which is given to the appliance. So therefore it has a fixed current or voltage. And what is meant by direct? Well, value doesn't vary with time. The value which doesn't vary with time, that is called as DC. Now what is meant by alternating waveform? So therefore what we call this as fixed source. What is meant by alternating waveform? That alternating waveform can be represented in this pattern. You can see there are 2 vertical lines shown. In between these 2 vertical lines, there is a circle, and in that circle you find there is a waveform. There is a waveform which starts from some fixed value, continuously increases, reaches to maximum, then it continuously decreases, reaches to negative maximum. So this point is negative maximum, then again increases and goes on changing, and therefore as here the value of the current or the voltage varies with the time, that is called as alternating. So which alters that is called as alternating. इवन कई बार हम लोग यूज करते हैं दिस अल्टर वाला टर्म वर्ड. आई हैव टू अल्टर माई से क्लोथ, आई हैव टू अल्टर माई क्लोथ. अल्टर करना यानी क्या है कि वेयर दैट द लाइक जो सुई धागा होगा, सुई धागा इज पुट इट इन सच अ वे so that it can alter, yani it goes from top, it enters into lower, again it starts from lower, it enters into upward, it moves upward and again it goes downward. So ये जो movement है सुई धागा का, जो सुई आप डालते हो फिर सुई ऊपर लेके आते हो, फिर सुई डालते हो फिर सुई लेके आते हो, that is called as alter. या फिर मुझे alterations कराने हैं यानी मुझे changes कराने हैं. So changes का मतलब क्या हुआ कि the waveform, the quantity which starts from one point reaches to its positive maximum, then again reduces to negative maximum, zero से फिर से zero होके positive maximum, that is called as alternating. Okay, so how we can define alternating? You can see this alternating current, that is the long form of AC, and alternating current or voltage varies with time. जो टाइम के साथ चेंज होगा उसको हम कहते हैं अल्टरनेटिंग. दैट मे बी करंट और वोल्टेज. यहाँ पर जो शो किया हुआ है इट इज वोल्टेज, दैट इज सोर्स वोल्टेज और सोर्स EMF. नाउ alternating waveforms are shown. These are the basic common waveforms like sine. The sine waveform in this is shown in this pattern. This is what the structure of a sine waveform. Triangular waveform, this is like this. Square waveform, right? So all these are the alternating waveforms. These are all the alternating waveforms. So these are the common basic waveforms: sine waveform, triangular waveform, square waveform. Okay. Now let us start with the concept related to the alternating, because the name of the chapter is AC fundamental. So let us see the fundamentals related to AC. Now what you have, अब यहाँ पर मैंने एक vertical line draw किया हुआ है, that is called as vertical axis, y axis. It has quantity written V of t. अब ऑलरेडी हम लोग कह चुके हैं कि the quantity which varies with respect to time. अब अगर आपको टाइम वेरिएशन दिखाना है या टाइम वेरिंग क्वांटिटी दिखाना है, तो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन ब्रैकेट एज t. सो दैट स्मॉल t इंडिकेट्स द टाइम वेरिंग क्वांटिटी. सो v of t indicates voltage. Similar way, the current can be written as I of t. That time varying quantity I of t can be written and that shows the I of t. So I of t is nothing but the current. Okay, so what we have V of t as voltage and I of t as current. V of t as voltage, I of t as current, and small t indicates the time dependent quantity, time varying quantity. So on y axis you find there is a voltage. Now on x axis there is a time, and that time is in millisecond. That time is in milliseconds. So 1 millisecond is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 seconds. 1 millisecond is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 seconds. So for an example, on y-axis there are two voltages, plus 10 volt and minus 10 volt. On x-axis the time starts from its 0th second, then there is 1 second, 1 millisecond, 2 millisecond, 3 millisecond and 4 millisecond. In between that, the waveform starts from its zero value, reaches to its maximum peak, then back to zeroth value, reaches to negative maximum, and again come back to its zeroth value. So the variation of the voltage starts from 0, reaches to 0, it is in between plus 10 to minus 10, plus 10 to minus 10. So this plus 10 is called as plus Vm, that is maximum voltage, and minus 10 is called as minus Vm. Now it is with respect to time. So at particular 1 millisecond, the value of the voltage reaches to plus Vm. So it means we can say it is plus 10 volt. And what is the time at which it reaches to 10 volt? It is 1 millisecond. 1 millisecond. Now if you ask me what is the value of minus Vm, that minus Vm is minus 10 volt, and it reaches to that minus 10 volt at t is equal to 3 millisecond. Hopefully you all are clear with the concept of this sinusoidal or AC fundamental. So alternating circuit, another name to alternating AC is alternating circuit. So alternating circuit or current, any electrical quantity is said to be alternating if it changes in magnitude, where the magnitude is on y-axis, and direction, where the direction is on x-axis, at regular intervals of time. That is called as alternating quantity. अब अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे कि if this is alternating, what is DC? Any electrical quantity is said to be direct if it doesn't change. If it doesn't change in a magnitude and a direction, that is called as DC. So AC का जो हमने कहा है उसी का उल्टा क्या हो जाएगा? DC. So DC means the continuous constant magnitude. The continuous constant magnitude. जैसे एरोप्लेन हम लोगों ने देखा हुआ, एक बार वो अगर बादलों में चला जाता है तो ये एक कांस्टेंट हाइट पर उड़ता है, राइट? It flies at a constant height, right? That height doesn't change. Yes, there may be the turbulence, वहाँ पर turbulence हो सकता है, but it flies at a continuous height. अगर आप लोग काइट उड़ाते हो, अगर आप लोग काइट माने पतंग अगर आप उड़ाते हो तो पतंग को इनिशियली यू हैव टू गिव द फोर्स, आपको एक इनिशियल फोर्स देना होता है, राइट? उसको फिर मांझा खींचना होता है, फिर मांझा छोड़ना होता है, दैट प्रोसेस वी डू. लेकिन एक बार जैसे वो हवा में पहुंच जाती है, देन यू डोंट नीड टू डू एनीथिंग विद दैट. आपको उसके साथ कुछ नहीं करना होता है, सिर्फ आपको एक आपकी जो रिल है जिसको हम मांझा जिसमें आपने लपेटा होता है, उस मांझे को आपको छोड़ना है, राइट? सो दैट इट कैन फ्लाई एंड फ्लाई एंड फ्लाई. बादलों में वो उड़ती रहे, आकाश में, हवा में वह काइट उड़ती रहे. उस तरीके से यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज योर रील, right? So that reel is nothing but the bobbin where the manja, where the thread is wound, and you just have to give that thread so that the kite can fly in the akash. बादलों में, आकाश में, हवा में that kite can fly, right? So similar way we have the DC, that is continuous constant supply, whereas AC माने which changes with respect to time, which attains zero at initial period, reaches to positive maximum, reaches to initial zero, then reaches to negative maximum, and so on. So any electrical quantity is said to be alternating if it changes in magnitude Where the magnitude is on x-axis. Sorry, the magnitude is on y-axis, and direction is on x-axis. So y and x-axis का जो variation रहेगा, that is called as alternating. Now, how that alternating quantity can be written? That alternating quantity can be written as I is equal to Im sine of omega t. I is equal to Im sine of omega t, or V is equal to Vm sine of omega t. So any quantity related to that alternating can be written in this equation. This is called basic equation. Phi, अब जो flux develop होता है, so phi is written as phi m sine of omega t. I think all of you can see this. Phi is equal to phi m sine of omega t. अगर आप पूछोगे कि sir what is E in this pattern, E is Em sine of omega t. So these are the current, voltage, flux and EMF that can be written in this basic format of the equation. Now, what sine is indicating? It is sinusoidal. What Vm is indicating? The plus Vm and minus Vm. Now, as this variation is from plus Vm to minus Vm, but it is with respect to time. And what is that time is? It is omega t. So that omega t may be, say, z. Now I just talk in terms of degrees. So degree may ye 0 degree, that may be 90 degree, 180 degree, okay, 270 degree, 360 degree, etc. For one cycle, it is generally from 0 degree to 360 degree. अगर आप टाइम के फॉर्मेट में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो तो टाइम हो जाएगा आपका जस्ट जैसे यहाँ पर एग्जांपल के तौर पे लिया हुआ है 0 मिलीसेकंड, 1 मिलीसेकंड, 2 मिलीसेकंड, 3 मिलीसेकंड, 4 मिलीसेकंड. सो दैट इज अगेन वन साइकिल. ये भी फिर से क्या हो जाएगा? वन साइकिल. ओमेगा टी और टी, ओमेगा टी और टी. दैट ओमेगा टी ऑल्सो कैन बी सेड एज थीटा. उसको थीटा से भी रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अल्टरनेटिंग सर्किट. नाउ जस्ट सी दीज सर्किट्स वेवफॉर्म्स. नाउ इन दिस, सी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0, reaches to at particular level, reaches to second level, reaches to third level. Now this is the level called as maximum. And what is the value of voltage at this maximum point? The value of voltage at this maximum point is plus 10 volt. At what time? At what time it reaches to plus 10 volt? It is at 1 millisecond. It is at 1 millisecond. From 1 millisecond of time, the 10 volt voltage reduces and reaches to 0. So at what time the value of voltage is again to 0? It is at 2 millisecond. Then it goes on increasing. Repeat कर रहा हूं. It goes on increasing on negative side. So it reaches to negative maximum. It reaches to negative maximum. So what is that negative maximum? It is minus 10 volt. Minus 10 volt. Minus 10 volt. At what time it is at minus 10 volt? It is at 3 millisecond. Again reaches to 0. So the value of voltage V of t is at 0 volts. And what are the time levels? It is 0 millisecond, 2 millisecond and 4 millisecond. The value of voltage is plus 10 volt, positive maximum at 1 millisecond. So the value of time is in milliseconds, so it is ms. The value of voltage is in volts, so therefore V. Minus 10 volt is the voltage of V of t at 3 milliseconds. So अगर आप मुझे कहोगे कि just make a table for this variation with respect to time, I'll get this kind of tabular form. The V of t in volts, V of t in volts changing from 0 to plus 10 to 0, 0 to minus 10, from 0 to 4 milliseconds. Okay, the definition is same. यहाँ पर definition को मैंने फिर से repeat कर दिया so that the student can go through that definition again and again. Okay, now just see this again. So the value of voltage is 0 at t equal to 0. Value of voltage is plus 10 volt at t equal to 1 millisecond. The value of voltage is 0 volt at 2 millisecond. The value of voltage is minus 10 at t equal to 3 milliseconds. Again it is 0 at t equal to 4 milliseconds. Is it clear with this? So in short, what we have? In short, we have this. The value of voltage is changing from its 0 reaching to its maximum and coming back to 0 reaching to negative maximum and again reaches to 0. So you just see it is varying from 0 millisecond to 4 millisecond. But 0 से लेके 0, 0 से लेके 0. So here it completes one cycle. Okay. Now, another definition is of instantaneous value. So just see the time axis. Time axis is 1 millisecond, 2 millisecond, half cycle, 3 millisecond, and 4 millisecond, that is full cycle. Started from 0 second, 0 volts, 0 millisecond, and reaches to 4 millisecond, called as full cycle. Now from this we can define the instantaneous value. What is instantaneous value? For that purpose, I just take the help of the previous waveform. This is called as instantaneous value of voltage. At t equal to 0 millisecond, what is the instantaneous value of voltage? At t equal to 0 millisecond, what is the instantaneous value of voltage? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? In fact, it is written there in the table, in the tabular form. 0 millisecond पर voltage का value कितना है? Okay, I just write it there. It is 0 volts, right? At 1 millisecond, what is the value of voltage? What is the value of voltage at that instant? उस इंस्टेंट पर उसका वोल्टेज कितना है? जैसे अगर मैं पूछता हूं कि फ्रेंड्स, स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग 12:30 पर कहां पर थे, तो इंस्टेंट क्या हुआ? 12:30, और आप कहां पर हो? क्लास में. अब आपसे मैं पूछूंगा आप 12:45 पे कहां पर हो? किचन में. अरे, यानी आप लोग कहां पर हो? 12:45 पे किचन में. ऐसा कुछ है क्या किसी का? होपफुली ऐसा कोई नहीं होगा जो 12:45 या 12:50 पे किचन में है. ओके, नाउ इफ आई आस्क यू कि 1:30 पे आप कहां पर हो, या 2 PM पर आप कहां पर हो, 5:30 PM पे आप कहां पर हो, तो आपका जवाब क्या रहेगा? सर 2 PM पे मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूं, आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द इवनिंग क्विज. 5:30 पर आप कहां पर हो? 5:30 पे सर मैं क्विज दे रहा हूं. यानी उस इंस्टेंट पर आप कहां पर हो. अगर मैं पूछता हूं कि एट अ टाइम 10 PM आप कहां पर हो, एट नाइट 10 आप कहां पर हो, तो आप कहोगे कि सर मैं सोया हुआ हूं. सो दैट इज व्हाट द वेरिएशन ऑफ द डे, राइट? ओके, So this is called as instantaneous value, the values of which changes with respect to instant. आपको मैं पूछता हूं 6 बजे सुबह आप कहां पर हो, मैं उठ चुका हूं। 9 बजे आप कहां पर हो, क्लास की तैयारी कर रहा हूं। 9:15 पे मैं क्लास में हूं। 11:15 पर मैं ब्रेक पर हूं। 11:30 पे मैं थर्ड लेक्चर में हूं। 1:30 पर मेरे हाथ में खाना है। 4:30 पे आई एम टेकिंग माई से मिल्क, राइट। देन 5:30 पे आई एम गिविंग क्विज। 8 o'clock I am taking my dinner. 10 o'clock I am sleeping. So that is what the schedule of your day. That is what the schedule of your day. And that is what the instant where you are there. हो सकता है you may go out. खेलने के लिए आप लोग 4 बजे जा रहे हो, 5 बजे वापिस आ रहे हो, 5:30 के लिए आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, right? So that is what the variation of your day, and that is called as instantaneous value. Okay, so let us check the definition of instantaneous value. क्या कह रहा है instantaneous value? So it is E or V or I, the value of the alternating quantity at a particular instant of time. मैंने ऑलरेडी कहा है कि द अल्टरनेटिंग क्वांटिटी का जो क्वांटिटी, अल्टरनेटिंग क्वांटिटी का जो वैल्यू है, दैट वैल्यू व्हिच इज चेंजिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. So at that particular instant, the value of that alternating quantity. Okay, so that is called as instantaneous value. So यहाँ पर example के तौर पे मैंने लिया है example E1 and E2 are the instantaneous values of alternating EMF at the instants T1 and T2 respectively. Let's see the figure. Just see. This is E1. E1 क्या है? E1 is the value of EMF at T1 instant. E2 is the value of EMF at T2 instant. Okay. EM is the value of voltage at, say, this instant, at this particular instant. Negative EM is the value of voltage at this particular instant. Okay, so these are the instantaneous values of EMF. Now what is cycle? आप लोग साइकिल चलाते हो, that is called as bicycle. जो दो पैडल्स पर चलती है, that is called as bicycle, right? दो पहिए होते हैं, therefore it is also referred as bicycle, right? Otherwise we have tricycle. Tricycle means जो तीन पहियों पे चलती है, that is tricycle. Okay, so bicycle, tricycle, four-wheeler, five-wheelers, sorry, five-wheelers, yes, five-wheelers, then etc etc. Okay, so the cycle यानी क्या कि जैसे अब मैंने पैडल यहाँ से शुरू किया, मेरे ख्याल से सभी लोगों का ध्यान है मेरे तरफ। पैडल अगर मैं यहाँ से शुरू करता हूँ, फिर मैं एक रोटेशन लेता हूं, तो मैं देख रहा हूं कि सेकेंड हैंड इज एट टॉप पोजीशन. आफ्टर हाफ अ रोटेशन आई एम गेटिंग माय राइट हैंड बैक टू इट्स ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. फिर से देखते हैं मैंने कहां से शुरू किया था. आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दिस इनिशियल पोजीशन वेयर माय राइट हैंड इज एट टॉप एंड लेफ्ट हैंड इज एट लो. आफ्टर हाफ साइकिल आई एम फाइंडिंग my left hand is at top and right hand is at low, right? Then again after another half cycle, my right hand is at same position where it was. So this is called as one cycle. इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? One cycle. This is second cycle. This is third cycle. This is fourth cycle and so on. फिर से देखते हैं, ध्यान रखना. One cycle, 2 cycle, 3 cycle, 4 cycle and so on. That is called as cycle. अब ये साइकिल में आप क्या रिपीट करते हो, क्या कर रहे हो रिपीट? Each repetition of sinusoidal quantity. जैसे ये एक वेवफॉर्म आपका बन चुका है, सो यहां पर इसका मैं शॉर्ट स्मॉल वेव ड्रॉ करता हूं. सो द वेवफॉर्म स्टार्ट 0, reaches to maximum, back to 0, reaches to negative maximum, back to 0. This is called as one cycle. अब इसमें अगर मैं और एक साइकिल ऐड कर दूं जो 0 से शुरू होते हुए उसी तरीके से आपको एक वेवफॉर्म दे रही है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सेकेंड साइकिल। तो ये हो गया आपका 1 साइकिल। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सेकेंड साइकिल। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज थर्ड साइकिल। This is called as 4th cycle and so on. Okay, so 1 cycle means a sinusoidal quantity, repetition of a sinusoidal quantity recurring at equal intervals. Recurring यानी बार बार रिपीट हो रही है, right? So repetition of sinusoidal quantity recurring at equal intervals is known as cycle. So a cycle consists of positive and negative loops. It consists of positive and negative loop. So this is one loop. This is another loop. Positive and negative loop. Okay. There is one more definition to periodic waveform that is not so important, but it is kept here, and I am going to share this PPT for your reference so that you can see that waveform definitions, and if you want you can write it down. Okay, fine. So this is third cycle, second instantaneous, and first is alternating. Now fifth definition, you can see here this small t is the time period on x-axis. So what is period then? The time for one cycle. The time for one cycle, and it is represented as capital T. Sorry, it is represented as capital T. So what is T for this one cycle? 4 millisecond. 4 millisecond. फिर से देखते हैं. Small t is the time on x-axis through which the quantity, that is voltage, is changing. Voltage is changing with respect to time. Now we have to define time period. Period यानी एक period रहता है ना, जैसे like we have fourth period. So what is fourth period? Starts at 12:30 up to 1:30. So one period is of 60 minutes. How many periods you have attended today? 4 periods. So what is period? That period is the time for one cycle. Period is the time for one cycle. So एक time आपका क्या है? First period आपका कितने time का है? 60 minutes का. Second period is of 60 minutes. Third period is of 60 minutes. Fourth period is of 60 minutes. So the time for one cycle is called as period. So over here the period is of 4 milliseconds. Why? Because the one cycle is completed in 4 milliseconds. Okay. अगर मैं कहता हूं कि the cycle is completed, started from 0th degree and completed in say 360 degree. So this is called as one cycle. This is called as one cycle. And what is time period here? Time period is generally given only and only in time, and that time is measured in terms of second, millisecond, microsecond, etc. Okay. So the time taken by an alternating quantity to complete its one cycle is known as its time period in seconds. So time period is 4 millisecond. एक cycle complete होने के लिए कितना समय लगा? 4 milliseconds. Okay. Now listen. Okay. Another definition, angular period. इसको भी मैंने ज़्यादा तवज्जो, like ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया है. Angular period. Okay. This is there in the syllabus. Now 7th definition, frequency. जैसे frequency हम कहते हैं ना, frequency यानी कई बार हम लोग frequency को जैसे रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है. रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होती है? इट इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ किलोहर्ट्ज, राइट? इट इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेगाहर्ट्ज. सिमिलर में दैट सप्लाई का फ्रीक्वेंसी, कि वो सप्लाई कितनी बार वहां पर आ रहा है. सो दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ टाइम पीरियड. द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ टाइम पीरियड. एंड व्हाट इज टाइम पीरियड? इट इज टाइम फॉर वन साइकिल। अब मुझे बताइए, जो हमने पिछला देखा इसमें टाइम पीरियड कितना है, 4 मिली सेकेंड। अब मैं पूछूंगा कि इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना है, तो आपका जवाब क्या रहेगा, सर फ्रीक्वेंसी इज इक्वल टू 1/4 मिली सेकेंड, राइट। इट मीन्स इट इज, मिली सेकेंड को आप कन्वर्ट भी कर सकते हो। सो मिली सेकेंड मीन्स 4 into 10⁻³ so how much it is, 1000 divided by 4, so how much it is, 4 2s are 8, 2 4 5s are 20, 400, so 250 hertz or cycle per second. It is 250 hertz or cycle per second. That is called as frequency. So the number of cycles, देखो definition, the number of cycles per second, number of cycles per second, बहुत simple definition, cycle per second, frequency, hertz, time, second, millisecond, microsecond, ठीक है। So frequency, cycle per second, the number of cycles completed by an alternating quantity per second, that is called as frequency. It is reciprocal of time period, that is capital T. Okay, now F is frequency and what is its unit, मैं already बता चुका हूँ, hertz. Another unit for frequency, cycles per second. So if it is 4 millisecond, then how much is the value of the frequency, 250 hertz or 250 cycles per second. Hopefully you all are clear with the frequency. Just remember, whatever may be the branch, mechanical, computers, IT, civil or electronics, please remember the frequency is just a reciprocal of time period. Time period is the time required for one cycle. Like we have seen one cycle of sinusoidal waveform completed in 4 milliseconds. So what is time period? 4 milliseconds. What is frequency for 4 milliseconds? It is 1/4, that is 250 hertz. Okay, now अब मैं क्वेश्चन उल्टा पूछता हूं, can anyone tell me as per Indian standards what is the frequency of India? What is the supply frequency of India? Come on, don't write it in chat box because I cannot see. Yes, it is 50 hertz. It is 50 hertz. Okay, now how much we got here in the calculation? 250 hertz. So as per Indian standards, the frequency is 50 hertz. Can anyone tell me the name of country who have 60 hertz of frequency?
USA.
General knowledge. Okay, USA or UK?
USA.
USA. Okay. So in fact अगर आपको याद होगा तो, यानी इनफैक्ट आपने सुना होगा तो, यूएसए से अगर आप कोई चीज मंगाते हो या लाइक आपके कोई रिलेटिव्स लेके आते हैं ना, सो दैट अप्लायंस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली अप्लायंस, दैट अप्लायंस मस्ट बी कंपैटिबल, that appliance must be compatible with 50 hertz as well as 60 hertz frequency. That must be compatible with 50 hertz and 60 hertz frequency. In fact, I must share you, in UK they have sockets like this. They do have square sockets, they don't have circular sockets. Like in India we have circular sockets, but in UK they do have square sockets. And in fact in India also we do have square socket in for few of the appliances. So in जब हम लोग वो appliance जैसे UK से like you may brought say Microsoft, I brought it that game also. So after getting it, what I did, I used one plug which is converting, like which is compatible with square socket and which has the circular socket into it, so that I can insert that thing. In fact, circular and then square, so that I can insert the plug into it. क्योंकि मेरा जो सॉकेट है वो है सर्कुलर, लेकिन मुझे उसमें जो प्लग लगाना है इट इज स्क्वायर. So मैंने जो 3 pin which I have used, that 3 pin has outlet of square and inlet of circular. Okay, now USA has 60 hertz, India has 50 hertz. Now अब मैं रिवर्स में जा रहा हूं, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि मैं उल्टा जा रहा हूं. Can anyone tell me the time period for 50 hertz? Time period for 50 hertz. Come on, it's a challenge. Come on guys, you can do it. You can tell me. Time का पता नहीं चलता ना बातों में. It's 120. बाप रे. It's 120. Come on guys, fast. What is time period? अब आप क्या करोगे? Sir, time period is the reciprocal of frequency. Correct. But don't write that definition, huh? You have to define frequency is reciprocal of time period. Don't do it with the time period, because time period is the time required for 1 cycle. Time required for 1 cycle. Time required for 1 cycle. Yes, याद कर लो. T is equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon F means 1 upon 50. 1 upon 50 means what? How much? 0.02 seconds. यानी as per Indian standard, the frequency is 50 hertz, and what is the time period? It is 0.02 seconds. As per 60 hertz frequency, 1 upon 60. 1 upon 60 के लिए क्या आप करोगे? 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 क्या होगा? 1 is 6.1, 4, 6 so it is 0.01, 6 is 36. फिर से वही आ जाएगा, so 0.01667 seconds. That is what the time period. यानी उनका साइनसॉइडल वेवफॉर्म एक साइकिल कितने में कंप्लीट होती है? उनकी एक साइकिल 0.01667 में कंप्लीट होती है. अपनी एक साइकिल कितने टाइम में कंप्लीट होती है? 0.02 seconds में. That's why our frequency is 50 hertz, and that's why USA is having a frequency of 60 hertz. Voice modulation आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Voice modulation कर रहा हूँ. It is what? Voice is changing. पहले बहुत सॉफ्ट चला था. Now variation समझ में आ रहा है? This is just to understand the fundamentals. This is just to understand the fundamentals. Okay, fine. So we have done with the next definition, that is 7th definition of frequency. Now angular frequency, फिर से angular frequency थोड़ा यहाँ पर मैं आप लोगों का ध्यान खींचना चाहूंगा. Angular frequency is omega, and it is written as twice pi f. ध्यान से देखना, it is also written as twice pi upon t. What is the unit? Radians per second. Electrical electronics people, please just see this slide very carefully, which is going to be helpful for you in your life, which is very important. It is omega twice pi f, which is twice pi upon t. And what is twice pi f? It is angular frequency. It is angular frequency. It is also written as twice pi upon t, because frequency is the reciprocal of time period, so it is twice pi upon t. What is the unit of angular frequency? Radians per second. It is angular distance covered in 1 second. Angular distance covered in 1 second. Fine. Let us see another next 9th definition. ध्यान से देखना. Amplitude. मैं already ये चीज बता चुका हूँ. V max plus 10 volt. V mean, that is negative 10 volt. Negative maximum भी आप कह सकते हो. Negative maximum भी आप कह सकते हो. V max 10 volt, negative maximum minus 10 volt. It also be written as minimum voltage minus 10 volt. Minus 10 volt. Okay. Now what is that? It is maximum or peak. It is maximum or peak. Peak माने जो सबसे highest point पे जा रहा है, that is peak. So this is related to vertical axis. Frequency was related to horizontal axis. Frequency is related to horizontal axis. This is vertical axis. So the variation of this positive maximum, negative maximum, or positive minimum, that is minus 10. Okay, so it is the maximum value plus Im, minus Im, or plus minus Vm reached by the sinusoidal quantity in a cycle. एक cycle में जो positive peak or negative peak there है, that is called as maximum value. It is also known as peak value, मैंने आपको already दिया हुआ है peak value और crest value. Dictionary definition, dictionary meanings, nothing else. कोई भी ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी अगर आप देखते हो तो यू विल फाइंड दिस एज एम्पलीट्यूड, मैग्नीट्यूड, मैक्सिमम, पीक, क्रेस्ट. मैं फिर से रिपीट करूं, एम्पलीट्यूड, मैग्नीट्यूड, एम्पलीट्यूड, मैग्नीट्यूड, पीक, मैक्सिमम, देन क्रेस्ट, highest point, crest. Okay, amplitude, magnitude, peak, maximum, crest. Im is known as, called as maximum value of current. Vm is called as maximum value of voltage. Now, if I ask you what is the maximum value of voltage for this particular sinusoidal waveform, your answer is plus 10 volt. What is negative maximum of the voltage? Minus 10 volt. Again, it is 10 volt only. 10 volt ही आपको बताना. मिनिमम वोल्टेज आपको अगर पूछा जाए तो यहाँ पर रहेगा -10. ओके, अब अगर मैं एक वेवफॉर्म ऐसा ड्रॉ करता हूँ, जस्ट सी, ये है आपका 10 वोल्ट वेवफॉर्म, आपका कुछ इस तरीके से. Now if I ask you what is positive maximum, what is maximum, तो आपका जवाब क्या रहेगा सर 10 वोल्ट. What is minimum? It is 0. It is 0. It is 0. Positive maximum plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. Negative maximum or 0? It is 0. Okay, fine. Any question up till now? Okay. Next is peak to peak. यानी पॉजिटिव पीक से लेके इसके नेगेटिव पीक का जो डिस्टेंस रहेगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पीक टू पीक. पीक टू पीक. नाउ V पीक टू पीक, V मैक्स माइनस V मीन, दैट इज 10 वोल्ट माइनस F माइनस 10 वोल्ट, क्योंकि ये तो माइनस 10 है ना, सो माइनस ऑफ माइनस 10 वोल्ट, इट इज 20 वोल्ट्स. इट इज 20 वोल्ट. अब भैया एक सिंपल है यार, अगर मुझे यहां से लेके यहां तक का डिस्टेंस मेजर करना है तो मैं कितना कहूंगा. अगर ये सेंटीमीटर्स में है, आपका 10 सेंटीमीटर यहाँ का वैल्यू है और यहाँ का वैल्यू 10 सेंटीमीटर है, और मैं अगर आपको पूछता हूँ कि भैया यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस कितना है, तो क्या 0 सेंटीमीटर का हो गया? नहीं, आप क्या कहोगे सर इट इज 20 सेंटीमीटर, क्योंकि यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो डिस्टेंस है वो 10 सेंटीमीटर है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो डिस्टेंस है वो 10 सेंटीमीटर है. So the total distance is 20 centimeter. So what is the value of the voltage from peak to peak? It is 20 volt. सीधा सीधा है भैया. Voltage magnitude है ना, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, मैक्सिमम, मैग्नीट्यूड पूरा y एक्सिस के ऊपर, वर्टिकल एक्सिस के ऊपर. अगर सेंटीमीटर में तो 20 सेंटीमीटर, वोल्ट्स में है तो 20 वोल्ट्स. क्लियर है यहां तक? एनी क्वेश्चन? Because I have to stop here. The reason is only 2 minutes are left. So yeah, I can complete this phase angle also. But let us keep that phase angle for next lecture. Okay, चलो मैं इसको रिवाइज कर लेता हूँ, है ना? Quick, yes, quick revision. What is the name of unit? Unit number 3, AC fundamental.
3.
Fixed sources. Fixed sources. Example. Fast. 2 मिनट में रिवीजन हो जाएगा अगर आप फास्ट आंसर दोगे तो. आंसर्स आर अवेलेबल. इट इज ओपन बुक क्वेश्चंस. So fixed sources. What is the example of fixed source? Okay, DC source. What is the long form of DC? Direct current. Definition: fixed current or voltage. Value doesn't vary with respect to time. But the value which varies with respect to time, that is called as AC, alternating current or alternating circuit. There are many waveforms, out of which 3 are shown. Basic common waveform. कौन से? Sinusoidal, triangular, square. Sinusoidal, triangular, square. Next, definition of alternating circuit. Alternating circuit where the magnitude and phase angle, magnitude and phase angle, magnitude and time, magnitude and time both are changing, called as alternating. Any electrical quantity is said to be alternating if it changes in magnitude y-axis and direction on x-axis at regular intervals of time. There are one format, there are different parameters which are represented in that format: voltage, current, EMF, flux, etc. I am sin omega t, V am sin omega t. Basic equation of the representation of this waveform: I am sin omega t, V am sin omega t, phi am sin omega t, E am sin omega t. Don't write it for resistance, inductor and current. R equal to Rn नहीं है. Resistance, inductor, capacitor अलग है. That are the applications or the devices or the elements which are used. Okay, fine. Alternating हो गया. Alternating के variations आपको दिखाए and you can see. फिर से मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. Just see. Okay. So instants are changing. So that is called as instantaneous value. So the value of alternating quantity at a particular instant of time is known as instantaneous value. The value of alternating quantity at a particular instant of time is known as instantaneous value. The value of alternating quantity at a particular time is known as instantaneous value. Clear है? Okay. Now, next cycle को define किया. एक particular cycle which is completed or repetition of a sinusoidal quantity recurring at equal intervals is known as cycle. ठीक है? Then time period means a time for 1 second, time required for 1 second, time required for 1 second, time taken by an alternating quantity to complete its 1 second, time required for 1 second. Khatam. Okay. Frequency is the reciprocal of time period. Frequency is the reciprocal of time period. Khatam. Okay. Angular frequency omega twice pi f twice pi upon t twice pi f twice pi upon t. याद रखना, ध्यान रखना. Radians per second. Amplitude, variation in magnitude, that is on y-axis. Positive magnitude, negative maximum, plus minus Im, plus minus Vm. That is called as crest value, amplitude, maximum value, peak value. Okay. Then peak to peak. So here that is nothing but the distance between two peaks, positive peak and negative peak on positive axis. That's why it is 20 volt, 20 centimeter, right? So that's all with the lecture. Do you have any question? Do anyone have any question? See, I am going to share this PPT today itself in few minutes. That will be available on Google Classroom. But still, Unit 1 and Unit 2 ka PPTs are put on the Google Classroom in yesterday only, so that you can refer. Okay. Now, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay. All of you got everything? Okay, now those who have time, just register here on the Genomium. Now, one by one, you have to give me your attendance. Starts from. See, अब मैं एक ध्यान में रखना. Don't give attendance at random. मैं जैसे attendance आपको बोल रहा हूँ, वैसे आपको देना है. हाँ, मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आपको attendance कैसे देना है. मैं बोलूँगा roll number 1 to roll number 5. तो roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ऐसा attendance देंगे. फिर मैं कहूँगा कि roll number 6 to 10. फिर roll number 6, roll number 7, roll number 8, 9, 10. सिर्फ आपको roll number लिखना है. ओके, सपोज मेरा रोल नंबर है 67, 66, तो मैं क्या कहूँगा, जैसे मैं कहता हूँ 66 to 70, तो इमीडिएटली 66 आएगा, देन 67 आएगा, 68 आएगा, 69 आएगा, 70 आएगा. ओके, इस तरीके से आपको अटेंडेंस देना है. वी हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस टास्क विद इन स्पेसिफिक पीरियड, दैट इज ओनली 5 मिनट्स. ओके, रोल नंबर 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Okay, roll number 6 to 10. Roll number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, roll number 11 to 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, then 16 to 20. 16 to 20. Okay, 21 to 30, 21 to 25, sorry, 21 to 25. Okay, ओके चलो 24 25 उल्टा हो गया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बट ध्यान से थोड़ा सा 26 to 30 क्विक 26 to 30 those who are giving they can leave 30 up to 30 okay 31 to 35 okay 36 to 40 36 to 40 36 to 40 okay 41 to 41 to 45 41 to 45 41 to 45 quick 41 to 45 okay 44 43 उल्टा हो गया, चलो ठीक है okay 45 46 to 50 46 to 50 46 to 50 46 to 50 50 तक जल्दी 48 49 50 50 50 50 50 okay 51 to 55 51 to 55 quick 51 to 55 51 to 55 okay 53 54 55 okay 56 to 60 56 to 60 56 to 60 quick 56 to 60 58 59 60 okay 61 to 65 61 to 65 61 62 63 64 65 64 65 वेरी गुड। और कोई बात बाकी है? किसी ने अटेंडेंस नहीं दिया, ऐसा कोई बाकी नहीं है? नो वन, एवरीवन हैज गिवन? ओके फाइन, सो आई जस्ट क्लोज माय प्रेजेंटेशन फर्स्ट।
Thank you, sir.
Okay, yes, great. Thank you, beta. Yes, Sanket, नुपुर बेटा आपने अटेंडेंस दे दिया? अच्छा, नुपुर निकल, स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग।